In this chapter, we will learn about Ubuntu operating system. Okay. What is operating system? It is a software program that controls the overall activities of a computer. A computer is useless without the operating system. For example, if you have a car which has a petrol, but there is no driver to drive the car cannot move from one place to another. Just as a driver is must to run this car, similarly, an operating system is must to work with computers. Functions of operating system: controlling hardware, running software, and booting. Controlling hardware. The operating system control all the parts of a computer. The operating system runs application software such as TuxPaint, games, and then third is booting. One of the major function of operating system is booting. When we start a computer, that process is called cold booting, and when we restart the computer, that process is called warm booting. Then the user interface. User interface means user interact with the operating system. Next is Linux. Linux is a free operating system. It can run on different types of computers such as desktop and laptop computers. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a free, easy to use Linux based desktop operating system. It enables us to do our work easily without any trouble. Then now this screen is Ubuntu desktop screen. There is a dock. Okay. The dock is when you start Ubuntu, you will see a long vertical bar on the left side of the screen. This bar is known as dock. And then there is a desktop. Desktop is a background area of your screen. And the upper right corner there is a system menu. It provides tasks such as volume, network signal icon. It is used for locking the screen, restarting the system and shutting it down. Then now how can we customizing the dock? First, adding a program icon on the dock. All the programs are not displayed on the dock. You can easily add the programs on the dock by clicking on show application button. Locate the program you want to add. Drag the desired program from app window and drop it to the dock. And then is removing a program icon from the dock. If you want to remove the icon from the dock, simply right click on the icon from the dock and press remove from favorites. And then restart the computer. Restarting the computer means it shut down and start up again immediately. In the upper right corner, click on system menu, click on power off button and choose restart option, and then shutting down the computer. After completing our work, if we need to shut down our computer, then again in the upper right corner, click on system menu and click on the power off button. Thank you.